Hi, I'm Darren, and this is my wife Jen. Thank you for taking the time to get to know us. We've been together for 9 years and married for 3. Our home is in Washington State, and we're excited about the opportunity to become first-time parents through adoption.
Adoption holds a very special place in my heart as I am adopted. Please know that we hold your journey with great respect and compassion.
We live in a peaceful and friendly neighborhood near parks and excellent schools. Our community has many family-friendly activities. We feel grateful to live in a place where families are valued and kids can thrive.
Home is our happy place. We love spending time together, crafting, and being creative. We are always laughing and enjoying our time together, especially during movie nights and rooting for our favorite football team.
Several years ago, we started growing our own vegetables and look forward to teaching our child the joys of the harvest.
Darren is an amazing cook with a heart as big as his recipes. He's kind, fun-loving, great with kids, and always ready to lend a hand, whether it's in the kitchen or in the community as a volunteer.
My wife radiates kindness and calm. She listens deeply and speaks thoughtfully. These qualities make children radiate to her and allow her to connect with kids on their level.
I work on the finance team at a local nonprofit.
I have over 20 years experience as a chef and working in restaurants. We have flexible schedules and plan to use part-time daycare.
Thank you for considering us. We promise to love your child and to raise them to know that they are wonderfully made, deeply loved, and are chosen by God. We would like to stay in contact with you at a level you are comfortable with. If you would like to know more about us, please contact Lifetime Adoption. Thank you.